Up. I don't care who he is. He's a mix-up. Clearly, he doesn't care how you feel, but that's okay. Like, this is ridiculous.
Like, I'm just trying to tell people Daisy, I did not leave because Daisy, of a boy.
Don't get emotional. Don't get emotional.
Please stop calling me too. Stop.
Okay, Daisy, can I quickly explain to them? Because a lot of people are in the comment asking questions and stuff, okay? Don't get upset. It's okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, እሷ ያለችው መጀመሪያ ከላይፍ ላይ ከዮኒ ጋር መግባቷ ጋቡ እሱ ሞር ወሬ የጀመረው ወደ አሌክስ ጋር እየጠመዘዘ እንደነበረ ነው ወደ እሱ ጋር እና ደስተኛ አልነበረችም። እሱም ብለው ሊያወሩ ሲሉ እሱ ደግሞ የሚለው ኖ አላለችኝም ነው ያለኝ። እኔ ደግሞ እሷ ግን የነገረችኝ ደውላ እንደነገረችህ ነው ስለው አይ አይደለም አለ። ከዛ ደግሞ አሌክስ ፖለቲክ ላይ ነው ምናምን እሱ ፖለቲካ ምናምን ያወራል አለ። እሷ ደግሞ እኔ ምን አገባኝ እሱ ፖለቲካ ቢያወራ ያው እውነቷን ነው። እሷ የለችበትም ፖለቲካ ላይ ምናምን። ኤኒዌይስ ተጨቃጨቁ፣ ሰውየው ወጣ እና አሁን
what I'm saying
ስለ አሌክስ አትፈልግም ወሬ።
What I'm saying is at the end of the day, if I want to choose to love someone, I can. I left for abuse, not because of a boy. So you guys can stop sitting up here bashing Alex for everything, because at the end of the day, none of you guys have lived through the abuse that I went through. None of you guys have lived through anything. So and stop saying like, oh, not. You guys act like mothers don't have their mistakes too. Like, where was the respect when she was telling me to end my life? Where was the respect when she was telling me that, oh, life would be easier if you just ended it? Where was that respect before?
Daisy.
ያለችው ሶሪ ቀርታ እየተመጣጣ ነው ያለችው ምንድነው? is that okay? Okay. ያለችው ምንድነው? እኔ ሄጄ የወጥቼ ሄድኩት በእናቴና በእሷ ችግር ስላለብን አቢዩዝ ስላረገችኝ ስለ ሜንታሊ ወይ ምናምን አቢዩዝ ስላረገችኝ ነው ወጥቼ ሄድኩት እንጂ ለአሌክስ ብዬ አይደለም የወጣሁት። እና አስሬ እናት ትላላችሁ እንጂ እናት ማለት ምን ዋጋ አለው እንደ እናት እንትን ካላረገቻት ማለት ነው፣ ትሪት ካላረገቻት። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ራስሽን ሂደሽ ግደይ ስትለኝ ጊዜ ነበረው አንቺ ብትሞቺ ጥሩ ነበረ ያለች ትለኝ ነበረ። እና ምን አይነት እናት ናት የምትለው? ያው እኔ እናቷን ጀጅ ማድረግ አልፈልግም ያለችውን ነው የምተረጉመው ያለሁት ጋይስ።
አንዴ Daisy, don't cry, okay? Don't get emotional. Like, don't get.
No, it's not like, funny because everyone's sitting up here like
Daisy,
no, because they've never lived through my abuse, and everyone's just sitting up here just telling me that I'm fake crying.
These people are ignorant. Listen, they're ignorant. Don't get upset. I told you earlier.
Copy and Daisy አታልቅሺ እና ላውጋው አለ እዚህ የእናቷ ደጋፊ ቢሆንም ችግር የለም ያስተርጉምላችሁ። ዮኒ ማኛ እዚህ ለጆን ዳንኤል እንኳን አልጠቀመው እንዳትወርድ ከፕሌን ብሎ ውኒ ነው የወረወረው እና አትስሚ ዴዚ አታልቅሺ።
ዜዶ የማታውቂውን የኔ እናቷ ደጋፊ አይደለም። ስለዚህ
ያለሰለሰ ነበር አስተርጉምላቸው ለማለት ነው። አንተም አስተርጉምላቸው
ችግር የለውም። Daisy, two things, right? One, stop crying. Like, you're gonna get a headache. Yeah, you're gonna get a headache. Stop crying. Second, don't be emotional. Like I said, some people understand you, some people won't understand you. So nobody, like, you just have to live with it, okay? I want. So you have to understand is that some people say that you left the house because of the boy is because that's what, like, it seems like it. Because we know you for the past, almost 2 years on TikTok, right? And you haven't mentioned that you've been
abused. Just because I haven't mentioned the abuse means I didn't go through
trust
it.
Me,
just because
you like you care about the girl, you don't care. You're just sitting here being a mix-up as well.
Trust me.
No, you don't. Clearly from the talk.
For a fucking 5 seconds. Like,
no, because you're pissing me off. You're just coming here. You're acting like you support. You don't support her. Daisy,
shut up.
I'm telling you. Yeah, it's my business. Because she's telling you about her mental health, and you're sitting
just
here
need an
acting like you
attention.
care. No, you don't. You don't care about the girl. You're actually so dumb.
So
Kick him out. Say, I'm telling you, these people are not
crying, okay? Don't get emotional.
You're just sitting here acting like, oh, don't get emotional, oh, don't. But you're literally not a nice person. Yeah, good, Daisy.
Okay,
No, please. I want everyone out. Just. I want.
Daisy.
Okay, I'll inbox you.
I want to say one thing. Just because I haven't brought up my abuse 5 years ago, 4 years ago, whatever, that doesn't mean I didn't go through it. At the end of the day, stop accepting people. None of you guys have lived how I've lived, and that's that. I'm tired of people laughing at me. You guys don't take abuse serious. That's fine. Have a nice day. That's fine. Have a nice day. That's fine.